Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के स्टूडेंट हैं तो ये क्लास आपके लिए है। लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू नो विच नंबर इज दिस? दिस इज नंबर 5. So in this class we will understand number 5 and we will learn to write number 5. Are you ready to learn number 5? So dear students, this is the picture of flowers. And how many flowers? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 flowers. Very good. Very nice. And this is the picture of toes. And how many toes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. There are 5 toes. Now we have to draw 5 beads here in this empty circle. So प्यारे बच्चों, इस खाली सर्कल में आपको 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्रॉ करना है। आप जो भी चीज़ें पसंद करते हो ड्रॉ कीजिए। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, very nice. Tell me, how many flowers? 5 flowers. And how many toes? 5 toes. And how many beads are there? There are 5 beads. Very good. Very nice. This is number 5. Let's write number 5. Write like this. F-I-V-E 5. Very good. Very nice. So dear students, 4 and 1 make 5. 4 और 1 मिलाकर 5 बनता है। Isn't it? Very good. Very nice. Let's sing a song of number 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Each hand has fingers 5. Let's go for a long drive. Each hand has fingers 5. Let's go for a long drive. So dear students, do you enjoy this song? Very good, very nice. Let's do some fun activity to understand number 5. What is this? This is strawberry. We have to color 5 strawberries. Let's color. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. And this is the picture of orange. We have to color 5 oranges. Very good. Let's color each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very nice. And what is this? This is guava. We have to color 5 guavas. Let's color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very nice. Let's trace number 5. Say while writing, trace like this. 5, 5, 5 5 5. Very good. Let's write number 5. तो चलिए 5 नंबर लिखते हैं. 5 5 5 5 5. So dear students, today we learned number 5 and we learned to write number 5. Very good. Thank you.